Want to create spreadsheets without paying for Microsoft Excel? LibreOffice Calc gives you powerful tools for entering data, performing calculations, organizing information, and creating charts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice and select Spreadsheet to launch Calc. You'll see a blank worksheet with rows and columns divided into individual cells. Each cell has its own reference, such as a 1 or B2, which makes it easy to organize and work with your data. Next, enter your information into the spreadsheet. You can create column headings and add records underneath them, such as names, dates, quantities, or prices. Select your data and use the formatting tools to adjust fonts, alignment, borders, and number formats. Now let's make the spreadsheet calculate information automatically. Select an empty cell and enter a formula beginning with an equals sign. For example, you can add values, calculate an average, or multiply numbers by referencing other cells. If your spreadsheet contains lots of information, use sorting and filtering to make it easier to manage. Select your data and use the data menu to access these tools. Filtering lets you temporarily display only the rows that match specific conditions. Next, turn your spreadsheet data into a visual chart. Select the information you want to use, then choose the chart option from the toolbar or insert menu. Take a moment to select a chart type that makes sense for your data, then add a title and review the labels. Finally, open the File menu and choose Save As. Enter a file name, select a location, and save the spreadsheet in the format you need. So your spreadsheet is now organized, calculated, and ready to share or continue editing later. And that's how to create spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc. Enter your data, format it, use formulas and functions, organize the information, create charts, and save your finished workbook. Once you understand these basics, Calc can handle everything from simple lists to more detailed data projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.